If you want to change app icons on Google Pixel 11, first of all, you can go to Settings. Over here in Settings, you want to proceed to Wallpaper and Style, and then here we want to switch to the preview of the home screen. Now in here, we're gonna swipe up here from this bottom section, and you should be able to find Icons. In here in Icons, we have two standard styles that we can choose from. So we have Default and Minimal, and besides that, you can create your own style. You can choose one of these options, and then you can proceed with the customization. Besides that, we can change the shape of our icons, and we can manage names. So for example, you can hide app names if you want to. And if you are done with your changes, just tap on the apply button here in the upper right corner. Besides that, you can check out theme pack over here, although for now it seems that there are no themes available. Technically, you should be able to tap on more in order to open something like a theme pack store, I assume, but it seems that it is not available right now as I am recording this video. So later on in the future, you might be able to find some cool theme packs over here for your app icons. Leave a like and subscribe.